excited much. Hi. Hey lovelies, how are you guys doing? I hope that you guys are having a good day, but a better one watching this video. I'm having a hey, my day is okay, my day is okay. Thanks for asking, guess what I'll be doing today? Why am I sure what I use? Let me just know, sir. But yeah, Victoria. Anyway, what did I guess yet? I'm not gonna tell them. When I know me, I gotta tell her though. What am I too excited? Actually getting ready to go take my test learners. So if I the learners I'm going, so what if I did the actual driver's license? They could have all Bobby. Well, I'm the man. I don't even take the test yet. I don't even go pass the test, but yet look at me behaving how I am behaving. I'm not a failure, so if I fail, just know so I'm not gonna sit up in the air, but homegirl ain't a failure, so I don't know so I'm not gonna sit up in the air. Yes, I am about to go take my learner's exam. So yes, in Jamaica though you have to do a learner's exam, and I think that law was implemented last year. Was it the 1st of January or the ending of January? I think it was the ending of January last year. I'm not sure, but yeah, last year. Why am I don't have a license yet? I don't know, but I am finally going to do it, guys, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I am not sure. No, I am 95% sure, because at Jamaica I won't be able to take I won't be able to record with me while I'm in the exam, because persons might think I'm cheating or I don't know what, but I don't think I'll be able to record inside. So I'll record before going in and I'll record after. And as I said, if I fail this exam, y'all ain't seen this video, but you know, your girl got this. I got this. Y'all be seeing this. So yes, you know, the day me get back my marks. When I get back my marks, I'm gonna have to take it to the tax office and pay the fee for getting it. But you see, the day me step out of the tax office there, what you say? Nobody can tell me so we can't go around the steering. Right around it, me I go website. Let's see, how can I go about it? I went to, you have to make an appointment now due to the I don't know how it went before, but I know that no, you didn't have to take exams for learners, right? You just paid and you got the learners, go learn to drive, and then go do your driving test, whatever some of the but no, you have to make an appointment and go to your test. I think they only do the test, the learners test, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and today's Thursday. Today's my day. Oh, I'm so excited. Why am I so excited? I've been dying for this day. But anyway, yeah, I went in March. I think it was like the ending part of March, something like that, to take in first. Let me back up a little. First I went to the tax office to get the form. So this is the form. Fill out. Yes, I'll get this form, fill it out, and on the form it says 2 passport size pictures, signed and stamped by a JP. Went down there to make my appointment. They said that I have to have 3 passport size pictures, signed, identical passport size pictures, signed and stamped by the JP. The paper in my hand is saying 2. I asked, they said 2. Well, you have to have 3. So I went ahead and I asked if I'm going to be able to still set a date or do I need to have the three signed photographs to do it? Anyway, I was able to meet the date, and the date that I got, the 27th of the 5th 2021 at 1 p.m, which is today at 1 p.m. I went ahead and I got this book. I would advise you to get this book. Why? Because even though I went through the book, not like reads, so you know who never not read everything, but at the back of the book you have the questions and the answers, and you have over 100. I think it is 114 questions to be exact. 114 questions in the book, and you only get 20 multiple choice. I think the pass, I'm not sure about the pass mark. I'll let you know when I am there or when I'm through. I also went online and I googled Jamaican learners exam, and I choose 2021 because that's the year I'm in, so it's, you know, more recent. And I got tests to do, like, you know, like when you're going to an exam and you have mock exam to do. Yes, that's what I did. So the book, and plus I do the online practice tests. So I am like 10% ready. I'm joking. I am 80% ready, I'm sure. I am not a 100% ready. So I went and I got the date, and I thought it would be like 2 weeks after setting. I would get like 2 weeks after setting. So I said, alright, cool. Bye. You know, I'm gonna get the test or whatever. I got 2 months. 2 months. Wait. Okay. So ready or not? Here I come. I hate walking, but yeah, I'm on my way, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so they just collected my documents and I'm waiting to get called to go in to do the exam. I'm back. I just finished my exam. Waiting on them to call me so I can get my paper. Hopefully it's the paper to take to the, what do you call it, tax service. But yes, homegirl did it! I passed! Yes, I passed! Yes, I did that. I'll talk to you guys when I'm out of here. See you soon. When I say them seal it, you know, to staple and seal it and have, when them hand it to me, the only thing them tell me, do not open. It's like they know some fast. It's like the people here know some fast. Do not open. I'm thinking it's the piece of paper with my photo. Oh, you can't stop me from going around no steering. What am I saying? When you don't see me, come out of my way. Happier than me, you can't find right now. Hey, big driver in the place. Boo! Get out the driver's seat, boo. Get out the driver's seat. Get out! I am finished now. Drivery! Drivery in the building! I said that I would have told you guys what it was like. The test is 20 multiple choice. Yeah, 20 questions. They're all multiple choice. It seems like other persons were doing different tests because if you don't know me, you don't know me fast. Me fast bad. And after finishing my test, because I finished, like they told us, 20%. The pass mark is 75%. You had 20 on the paper, it said 20 minutes, but the instructor told you 25 minutes to finish this paper. The wait period, OMG. I am 1 hour to do the exam, and after waiting that 1 hour and was through with the exam, I had to wait another half an hour before getting yes, before getting my listen, you can't talk to me, they're not be big. And yeah, so the questions weren't hard, but I would advise you guys to get this book. If you are going to take that test, I would advise you to get this book, The Jamaica Driver's Guide by Cliff Hilton. Yes, it has the answers in the back. I would advise you to get this book if you want to take that test. Yes, I would advise anyone to get that book. It's up to you how fast you can finish the test, and then they'll mark your paper. When they're through marking your paper, then they'll ask you which tax office, and for them to sign this which tax office, and then they will tell you to wait outside. So I don't know how the process would go if you can't use pencil. You can't use pencil to do it. You have to use a pen. You have to use a pen, and you'll need the form. The form should be filled out, your name, your address. Yeah, so you need a form, you'll need your ID, you'll need your TRN, and you'll need 3 passport size, identical passport size photos, stamped and signed by the JP. You are not supposed to write on the question paper. They're going to tell you and they're going to repeat it. Do not write on the question paper. All answers should be marked on the answer sheet. Guys, it's day 2. Driver's license, no, learner's license, my apologies, learner's license. I'm on my way now to the tax office to pay for it. So I'll see you when I get there. I am here. For your family. Hey guys, I'm home and bam! Oh no, wrong side. Thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me. I wish anyone that's going to be doing this all the best. Yes, all the best. And I think I might do part 2 when I'm going for the real license, not the learners. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.